Hey, hello again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today in my Qwest showroom. What you see behind me is the Qwest 818 Lanai L Class. It is in silver and bright blue metallic. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look at this great boat with me here. So as we work our way through the back here, we notice the really nice seating here, nice pattern, nice color that matches the exterior of your boat, and pretty comfortable and pretty plush as well. As we come a little further back, you check out the dash. We do have the Bluetooth stereo system, the RAM mount cell phone holder. And we also have your charging port, so if your phone runs out of juice while you're on your lake, you got a place to get yourself charged up. See nice corner seating right here, and on the back we see a really cool feature. We see this nice little lanai bench. So if the kids or grandkids are off swimming, it's a nice place to sit and watch them. If you want them in a towel before they get in to dry off and keep the rest of your boat dry, really great option back here. We're going to rig this with a Suzuki outboard, 75 horsepower below. We have all those motors in stock, and it's your choice what you'd like on the back of it. So just really great package here from our friends at Qwest and Suzuki. With anything we sell, we do offer in-state delivery, on-water lesson, a full cover, and all the safety equipment you're going to need to be legal on the lake. And we're also going to handle all your titling and registration needs here in-house. If you think this might be the boat for you, give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. Our sales team would be happy to help. We'll see you soon.